Hello, good morning. So, this is Coach Jonathan Bit. Okay, pag-aralan natin tong ating itong GCash. Okay, marami siyang benefits. So, ito, meron siyang uno ready account interest. So, ito, mas malaki sa other bank. So, triple your daily interest rate. So, you can earn up to 12.75 interest PA on your uno ready account for a minimum of 300 spend using this uno app features. So, ito, ang daming benefits ng uno. Okay, meron siyang insurance, pay bills, and then uno virtual debit mastercard. So, saan natin makikita itong uno? Okay, uno app. So, ito tayo sa ating GCash. Okay. Okay, ito yung ating GCash. Yan. So, dito sa my home, then click natin yung view all services. Okay. So, dito sa may G-Save, click mo yan sa may grow. Yan, grow, G-Save, click mo yan. Yan. So, ito yung kanya mga benefits sa G-Save. Okay? Okay, parang savings din to. Okay, savings. Ayan. So, dito meron siyang partner banks. Okay, meron siyang Uno, Digital Bank, meron siyang Maybank, BPI, CIMB, G-Save. So, ang pipiliin natin yung ating Uno Digital Bank. Yan. Click mo yung Uno Digital Bank. Ayan, so dito tayo mag-savings, magde-deposit. Okay? Ayan. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-sign up o mag-register. Kailangan ng valid ID. So nakapag-register na tayo last time. Okay? Ayan, so ito yung ating Uno Digital Bank. Ayan, ito yung transaction natin. So pwede tayong mag-deposit money or mag-withdraw. Okay? Ito, daily interest siya. Daily magkakaroon ka ng profit interest applied. So, nag-try ako ng 102. So, na-withdraw ko yan. Okay, ngayon, magde-deposit tayo. Okay? Click mo yung deposit money. So, manggagaling sa inyong GCash wallet. Ayan, meron tayong GCash. Dapat may laman yung inyong GCash. Okay? Yan, GCash papuntang Uno Ready GCash account. So, ang minimum dito is 300 spend. Okay? So, naglagay tayo ng 2,000. So, 4,000 na. Lagay tayo ng 4,000 para mas malaki yung daily interest natin. So, dito minimum is 300 pesos pataas kahit ilan. Okay? Okay. So, the more better, mas marami kang deposit. So, mas malaki yung daily interest mo. So, yung daily interest natin is up to 12%. Okay? Compare sa other bank na 1% per annum. Dito, abot ng 12% per annum o per year. Okay? Hindi, click mo yung continue. Ayan, so yan yung ating i-review natin. So, are the following details correct? So, yung ating from GCash wallet papuntang Uno, Lady GCash. So, amount 4,000 pesos. So, next, click mo. So, waiting natin. So, naglo-loading. So, medyo mahina yung ating net. So, elevate your savings journey in a matter of minutes within an email. So, wait lang natin, ano? So, to continue, tuloy natin. 4,000 yung ating di-deposit. So, from GCash to Uno Ready. Ayan, so let's review. So, GCash to Uno Ready GCash. So, 4,000. Next. Ayan, so payment. So, Okay, Uno Digital Bank. So ito yung ating, so ang Uno is approved yan ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Okay? So isa siyang rural bank. Okay? Pay natin. Yan, automatic yan pupunta yan sa ating digital bank. Ayan. So successfully sent to. Ayan, so ayan na. So automatic na yan, successful deposit. Ayan, may reference number, July 10. Balik tayo sa dashboard. Check natin yung ating Uno Digital Bank. Ayan, so nakapag-deposit na tayo ng 4,000. Okay? So daily magkaka-interest yan araw-araw. Okay? So ganyan kaganda itong ating Uno Digital Bank sa ating GCash. So napakadaming features, benefits ng GCash pag ikaw ay explorer. Okay? Ayan, so pwede kang mag-add time deposit daily kung gusto magdagdag. Ayan o. Pwede ka mag-apply up to 6%. Okay? So, easy instant account opening. Start with a little of 5,000. Okay? Kung gusto mo mag-apply sa kanilang product. Okay? 3 to 12 months. Flexible siya. So, anytime pwede mo siyang i-withdraw yung capital mo at profits. Okay? Short term as 6 months. Okay, next time mag-contact dyan. So, dito muna tayo sa ating savings sa time deposit yun. Okay? So, bukas, tignan natin ilan yung ating magiging daily interest. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang mga facts. Okay, what is Uno Ready? Ayan, deposit, services, time deposit. So, what is Uno Ready? Ayan, so savings niya, high rate account. So, at meron siyang free life insurance pala, oh. Ang ganda. So, free life insurance with 50,000 coverage. So, limbawa, nagkasakit ka, in-aksidente ka. So, meron kang life insurance sa Uno. So, yan yung mga benefits niya. How do I open account? So, simple, mag-login ka sa GCash app, access mo yung GSave Marketplace, then tap mo yung Uno Ready, agree terms, and provide additional information required by Uno. So, kailangan mo ng kanyan, KYC valid ID. Okay, who is Uno Digital Bank? So, Uno Digital Bank is one of the first neobanks to get an outright digital banking license in the Philippines. So, legit to. Uno is supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Ayan, BSP, approved tayo. And it has deposits insured by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation, so PDIC. So, napaka-legit. Okay, through the Uno mobile app, you have easy access to our banking products, services. As full spectrum digital bank, all our processes are done digitally. End-to-end, which makes delivery services unconstrained by physical branches. Ayan. Yan, basahin nyo lang yung kanya mga, ayan, so meron pa siyang, yan, free life insurance, 50,000. So, kailangan meron kang balance sa 10,000 pala sa inyong GSave. Okay, 10,000 at least, para ma-qualified ka sa insurance coverage. Ayan, so, ang pwedeng mag-apply is 18 to 65 years old, subject to acceptance and criteria of the insurance provider. So, wala siyang maintaining balance pag nag-open ka ng Uno Ready. So, wala din siyang initial deposit requirement pagka nag-apply ka sa Uno Ready. Ayan, so pwede ka na mag-deposit initial 100 pesos para ma-open yung GCash, yung Uno Ready account mo. Is my money Uno Ready GCash guaranteed by PDIC? Yes, deposit are insured PDIC up to 500,000 per depositor. Okay. Yan. So, yan yung mga kanyang facts. Okay, kung merong katanungan, so PM mo ako para mag-guide kita. Then, okay, so, paki-subscribe mo aking channel, Jonathan Bit TV. Okay, click mo yung notification bell and select all para ma-update ka sa mga next video ko. Okay? So, yan yung coach, Jonathan Bit. So, hanggang sa muli. So, God bless day. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.